Students, those of you watching Peer Teach A, the person you are going to tutor, please walk them through this exact same process. Step one, you're going to finger track and read out loud. Force your classmate to do the same thing. Students, I'd like you to put your finger right there at the word the. And now read with your lips moving. Go. Step two, we're going to underline and highlight key words. We're told that the interior angles of a pentagon are x, x degrees, 2x degrees, 2x degrees, and 2x degrees. Your ambition is to find the measure of each angle. Step two, we're going to write our equations and we're simply going to draw it. So pent means 5. So draw a 5-sided shape. And now let's take our degrees in here. So one is x, x, degrees, 2x, degrees, 2x, degrees, and 2x degrees. Notice as I am accounting for things, I cross it out. Coach the person you're tutoring to do the same. Now, let's write our equations. Equations have two sides with an equal sign. We're dealing with the interior angle. We want to find the measure of each of these. However, before we can find the measure of each of them, we have to know their sum. So we're going to find the sum of interior angles, sides minus 2 times 180. Now we do our plugins. Our n is penta, so our n is 5. You do your own math. No, you may not use a calculator there. I expect you to do your 4th grade math longhand. So we just found the sum of all 5 angles is 540. So just like triangles always sum 180, pentagons will always sum 540, as long as they're what's called convex. So now we can say that 540 is going to equal x plus x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x. Double check that you did it correctly. Underline stuff. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. You go ahead and do your own math. I'm going to give you a 10-second lead. Try to beat me. You're going to need to assure the person that you're tutoring that decimals are possible. So now all you have to do is plug it back to find each angle. So that angle, of course, is 67.5. That one right there is 67.5 degrees. 2 times 67.5. Once again, don't touch a calculator. Don't let the person you're working with touch a calculator. And then you check and you just ask yourself, does this make sense? And what you could easily do is you can add these 5 angles and ask yourself, does it add up to 140? Which if you did that longhand, yes, it would.